So if you can't handle your problems and you in the trenches and that shit taking over you and you depressed and you can't think for yourself and everybody telling you what to do, what make you think you're gonna be able to handle rich problems and get all this money and what you think you gonna go broke and you gonna and give it away to everybody? You ain't gonna know what to do because you ain't even know what to do at the bottom. So that's why I say instant gratification is a lot. You know what I'm saying? If you just want some money, quick money, then that's to do. But just know that quick money, you're gonna blow it and lose it as fast as you got it. So focus on being you and don't focus on the money. Focus on your journey. Don't focus on the destination. Everything gonna come together. Trust.